vlog. So today we're doing a cleaning day, literally throughout my whole house. I have so much junk I need to throw away, and like I start school in about 3 weeks, so I just want to get the house all cleaned up and nice before I start school. I feel like it'll help my mind, you know, not be as stressed. So we have to clean the living room, my bedroom, and also the bathroom. So we're gonna start with the bathroom. I love watching people clean. It's just so satisfying to me, so hopefully you like the video. This is vinegar, white vinegar, and dish soap. Because I'm out of the pink stuff, so I'm gonna use this. Vlog. So we just got done with the bathroom, and now I'm about to clean the living room, kitchen area, and yeah, the bathroom only took me like 30 minutes, so not too bad. But we've got a mess out here and got a lot to clean, so let's get to it. Just got done with the kitchen. Literally that took me like 15-20 minutes because I don't have a really big kitchen. So now it's on to this area. It's not too bad because we've been cleaning that. Just need to sort that out. I need to clean this thing, that thing, and then this junk area. I'm done with the living room. Now I'm going to quickly do my room because I gotta go. I'll probably finish my room on Thursday on my next day off. But yeah, everything else is pretty much clean, and then I'm just gonna do some laundry right now because I have a little bit of time before I have to leave. Hello. I actually haven't filmed in like 2 Friday, September 8th right now. Oh my god. I'm so tired. So I was trying to deep clean, you know, my whole house. And I did the living room and I did the bathroom. And today I'm going to do my bedroom. I probably won't be done today because it's literally 12:30 and I need to be somewhere at 2. So the one thing that I will do today is clean out my closet. I'm gonna be donating a lot of things, so hopefully I can get that done because it's literally like filled to the brim. So I forgot to film an outro, so thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.